Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dryer vent bucket is probably one of the most overlooked laundry room upgrades, yet it dramatically improves your dryer's performance and significantly reduces the risk of fire hazards by containing lint and moisture effectively. This simple device can save you money on energy bills, extend the life of your dryer, and provide peace of mind knowing you're minimizing a potential fire risk in your home. Let's dive into why you need one. Number 5. ADR BetterVent Indoor Dryer Vent. Say goodbye to messy water buckets and hello to clean, efficient drying. BetterVent's innovative design eliminates the need for water, saving you time and effort. It's built with a durable, double filter system to trap lint, dust, and pet hair, keeping your home healthy and your air clean. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA. This dryer vent helps you save energy and money by returning warm air back into your home. Dry your clothes faster and reduce your energy bills, especially during colder months. Forget to clean it? Don't worry. The safety vent flap automatically opens to prevent overheating if airflow is restricted. It's a smart feature that protects your dryer. Everything you need for quick and easy installation is included. The kit comes with instructions, mounting hardware, filters, and calibration weights. Just add your transition duct hose. What we like? This dryer vent boasts a patented double filter system for superior lint trapping. It's also made in the USA, ensuring high quality and durability. If you value energy efficiency and a healthy home environment, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. When our house was built, the dryer was vented up a tube in the wall and out a vent on the roof. My husband didn't like cleaning out the tube, so he vented the dryer out into the garage, but lint seemed to be getting everywhere with the lint catcher he was using. This looks like it will solve the problem, and the installation was really easy. Our dryer dries clothes in one run. They are hot, fresh, and wrinkle-free. No more damp, smelly clothes. The trap works as expected. The cleaning is easy. The 4-screw installation was easy. Number 4. Dundas Jafine TDIDVKZW Kit. Introducing the solution for venting your electric clothes dryer indoors. It's perfect when outdoor venting isn't an option. This kit contains everything you need: a 4-inch by 5-foot Proflex duct, a lint reservoir, and adjustable clamps for a secure fit. It's ideal for apartments, condos, or even RVs. It provides a safe and convenient way to vent your dryer. This dryer vent is UL approved, ensuring safe and reliable operation. Your safety is our top priority. Remember, it's only for electric dryers. It's not suitable for gas dryers. Please check your dryer type before use. It's designed for easy installation, so you can get your dryer up and running quickly. Simple steps for a worry-free setup. What we like? It comes with a Proflex duct, making installation a breeze. The UL approval ensures safe and reliable operation. If you need a simple, safe, and effective solution for indoor venting, this kit is for you. What people say. Catches any loose lint, not caught in the interior lint trap. Very nice, come with a inside exhaust container, so if you don't have a window, you can use that. Very smart idea, works great. Exactly what I needed for my small dryer, and my app works well and easy setup. Number 3. VIWINVELA 3-in-1 Dryer Vent Kit. This innovative kit provides a safe and efficient solution for indoor dryer venting, perfect for apartments, condos, or RVs. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. It features a 3-layer filtration system, a water filter, an iron mesh filter, and a high-temperature lint filter. This ensures maximum protection for your dryer and home. Choose the configuration that best suits your needs. It comes with various hose length and color options to match your dryer and home decor. Installation is quick and easy. While connecting the hose might require a bit of effort to ensure a secure fit, it's well worth it for the peace of mind it offers. The filter is detachable and reusable after cleaning, making it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice. Simply clean it and reinstall for continued use. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with safe and efficient indoor dryer venting. It's the perfect solution for those who need to vent their dryer indoors. What we like? This vent kit features a 3-layer filtration system for thorough lint removal. It also comes in various configurations to suit your needs. If you prioritize thorough filtration and want a customizable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great and prevents everything in the garage being coated with dryer lint. This is the best dryer exhaust filter ever. Easy to use, durable, and I love the design. It is fantastic. The room does get warm, however, my laundry dries quickly, and there was no lint in the room afterwards. Number 2. Vent Lint Trap Filter. Say goodbye to dryer lint and hello to a healthier home. It's the simple solution for cleaner air and a more efficient dryer. Cleaning it is a breeze. The fine stainless steel screen and water drawer system make lint removal quick and easy. This filter is built to last. The durable stainless steel screen is designed for a lifetime of use, saving you money on replacements. It recycles heat from your dryer, reducing your energy bills and your environmental impact. It's a win-win. Rotate the knob, scrape off the lint, let it drop into the water drawer, and empty the drawer. It's that easy. This high-quality dryer vent kit is made with pride in the United States. You can trust in its superior quality and durability. What we like. It features a long-lasting stainless steel screen that never needs replacing. The Easy Clean system makes maintenance a snap. If you want a low-maintenance, durable solution, this is ideal for you. What people say. The engineering drives the lint into the water in the tray at the bottom, and the wiper effectively cleans the screen filter above the water. It's easy to handle and does the job nicely. It works fantastically. Blows warm, humid air into the house but traps all the lint. It has a screen filter that has a handle to turn to remove the lint effectively without the constant need to replace any filters. The water section that catches the remainder of the lint is a pull-out drawer at the bottom that can easily be refilled every week and slides back into the unit without any hassle. Number 1. NOORNY 3-in-1 Dryer Vent Kit. Say goodbye to dryer vent woes with this innovative kit. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance, keeping your home safe and clean. This system features 3 layers of filtration. It traps large lint, pet hair, and even the finest dust particles, ensuring a healthy indoor environment. The first layer uses water to trap the largest lint and dust particles, making it highly effective. The second layer is a durable steel mesh that captures medium-sized lint and pet hair. It's rust-resistant for long-lasting use. The final layer is a high-density filter that traps the tiniest dust particles, leaving you with cleaner, healthier air. Perfect for apartments, condos, RVs, or any home without outdoor vent access. It provides a safe and convenient solution. It's made with premium materials for lasting reliability and safety. You can trust it to perform for years to come. Installation is easy. Just follow the simple steps, fill the bucket with water, connect the hoses, and secure the clamps. Cleaning is a breeze. The removable filters and wipeable surfaces make maintenance quick and easy, ensuring long-term air quality benefits. What we like. This dryer vent offers a 3-stage filtration system for optimal lint capture. The removable filters and wipeable surfaces make cleaning quick and easy. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-maintain option, this is a great choice. What people say. Was very easy to install. Be sure to fit the top back on each time. That takes a minute. It's not difficult to do, just have to make sure it's on well. The warm air is nice to keep inside, and bonus if you use scented dryer sheets it smells really nice. There has been no trouble with lint dust at all, and that was my concern. Cleaning is really easy, just pop off and clean out lint, put back on. Everything you need to connect to your dryer vent hose comes with it. This does what it is supposed to do and looks nice on top of my 1.5 cubic foot dryer. The dryer already has a lint filter and a felt filter. This was just an added feature to control the heat and humidity. Sometimes I don't add water to the bucket if it's humid out and it still works great. A good alternative to venting outside. It fogs up the windows and warms up the room. We keep the lint trap emptied and there were only a few small pieces in the container. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.